From $1 to $10,000, a realistic step-by-step savings plan. Stage 1, $100 to $100. Get control. Goal, start small, build the habit. 1. Create a simple budget with free tools like EveryDollar or a notebook. 2. Save spare change daily or use roundup apps like Acorns. 3. Sell 3 to 5 unused items at home: old phone, clothes, tools. 4. Eat at home instead of eating out. Save $10 to $50 per week. 5. Cancel one subscription, save $10 to $20 per month. Dart Quest. Stage 2, $100 to $1,000. Build starter emergency fund. Goal, save your first real safety net, $1,000. 1. Pick up a side hustle. Deliver food, online gigs, freelance. 2. Set a weekly savings goal. $50 per week equals $200 per month. 3. Budget your groceries tightly. Use a shopping list, no impulse buys. 4. Stop using credit cards and track every expense. Stage 3, $1,000 to $3,000. Pay off small debts, optional. If you have debt, use the debt snowball method. If no debt, continue saving. 1. List all debts from smallest to largest. 2. Pay minimums on all, but throw every extra dollar at the smallest. 3. Roll paid debt money into the next. Dart Quest. Stage 4, $3,000 to $6,000. Build full emergency fund. 3 months of expenses. Goal, financial security buffer. Formula, monthly expenses times 3. If expenses equal $2,000 per month, save $6,000. 1. Live on 70 to 80% of income. Save 20 to 30%. 2. Stop eating out temporarily. 3. Use cash envelopes for spending limits. 4. Take on weekend jobs or freelance projects. Idea: put your emergency fund in a high-yield savings account so it earns interest but is accessible. Stage 5, $6,000 to $10,000. Grow and prepare to invest. This is your transition from saving to building wealth. 1. Continue to save aggressively with purpose. 2. Invest part of the money, 15% of income, in Roth IRA or 401k. 3. Keep $6,000 to $8,000 in emergency fund. 4. Save for big goals: car, house down payment, business start. Add more income: freelancing, content creation, YouTube, blog. Sell digital products or start dropshipping. Online tutoring, social media management. Weekly goal plan. Weekly saving, months to save $4,000. $100 per week, 10 months. $200 per week, 5 months. $300 per week, 3 to 4 months.